Good evening and welcome to Booker High School's open house and to our College and Career Resource Center. I am Lynn Andrews, the College and Career Advisor and Resource Center Coordinator for our school. Our Resource Center is housed in the administrative wing of our school and works in collaboration with our guidance department and our staff to help all Booker students develop a post-secondary plan. It is the College and Career Readiness Hub of our school, where college and career representatives engage and interact with students, where students find scholarships, internships, and jobs, and also job shadowing opportunities, where students get assistance with college and career, scholarship applications and essays, and where we provide students with essential skills training needed for life. The peer counseling classes 1, 2, 3, and 4 are unique to Booker High School and were designed to provide students with an independent learning style setting where they create their post-secondary plans, develop those aforementioned essential skills, and are trained to become student ambassadors and leaders on our campus and in our community. Our curriculum objectives reflect our goal that students work independently with me as a facilitator to devise a working plan, and that our peer counselors also would assist students who visit our resource center and also mentor students on our campus. We blend many proven program resources such as Overgrad, Florida Shines, the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, the Florida Department of Education, the CFES Brilliant Pathways Program, Gear Up, and more to give our students a well-rounded curriculum. Leadership skills, peer mentoring progress, and employability skills. Our remote learners and our face-to-face learners have the same course objectives, and that is that they would be willing to serve as ambassadors and leaders on our campus, and that they are always engaged in developing their portfolio when we're not engaged in training or class instructions, and that they'll be willing to help present to our school and our community our college and career objectives and initiatives. If you have any questions regarding your students' grades or any other concerns, I can be reached at lem.andrews@sarasotacountyschools.net or by phone at 941-355-2967, extension 65033. Thank you.